Alright, we're gonna color Santa and still the same collection, Night Before Christmas. So we're gonna start with his hat and his costume. So it's gonna be 15 for the darker one, and it's gonna be 10 for the entire thing. So 15 is gonna be my blending and blending it with 10. Just a small bit because, you know, this image is quite small, so there's not a lot of blending that's gonna happen. It's just like a semblance of a blending, which makes our lives easier when the image is so small. So I'm just trying to blend the 15 with the 10, and that's pretty much it. Super easy. It just takes a lot of practice and trying to get to know your Ohuhu markers or your alcohol markers, whatever kind of markers that you have. Now I'm just coloring his Santa suit. You know, it's itty bitty, but you know that he has like a black belt and his pants. So that's pretty much it. There's no blending because it's super small. Next is, for the face, I normally put like a medium tone on the face, like on the upper part of the face and on the left side. After that, I put the lighter tone. And this only applies to the face, but you can do whatever technique that has worked for you, but this has worked for me. And then after the 26, which is my lighter tone, I'm going to go for the darker one, which is 162. So again, I'm just going to put some cheeks and a little bit of highlight on the nose. A little bit goes a long way, especially with these small images. I think it's super cute. I've said this 1,000 times. I think this is the cutest Santa Doodlebug has ever released. I'm gonna call him Saint Nick. I think he's super cute. So the NGO is the one that I use for like shadows for white. Just to give it a little bit of interest, so it's not just like blank, non-textured white. So I think this gives it a little bit of interest, and that made it, I think, a huge difference. For the black, I'm gonna use NG9. I'm gonna use it on his gloves, his shoes, and his belt. And you're going to notice that my coloring is not perfect because I had some red on his belt, and that's okay. I'm not gonna bother with that. It's okay with me. But it's just a matter of like, I'm gonna color that yellow still anyways. And this is super easy. I'm just putting some Jelly Roll 0.8. I couldn't find my number 10 one, but this one I found, so that's what I'm going to use. That is super easy, and it makes it a lot interesting when it comes to if you put in highlights. Anyway, that is it. Super cute. I love it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Comment down below. Bye.